Hi guys, today we will be looking at the most common English idioms. Now first I will be looking at the idiom, then the meaning, and then the usage. When and how is it used? So this will be available here for you. I will not be reading this, but it will be available for you to know if it is used as part of a sentence or by itself. Let's go. A dime a dozen. Something common. Beat around the bush. Avoid saying what you mean, usually because it is uncomfortable. Better late than never. Better to arrive late than not to come at all. Bite the bullet. To get something over with because it is inevitable. Break a leg. Good luck. Call it a day. Stop working on something. Cut somebody some slack. Don't be so critical. Cutting corners. Doing something poorly in order to save time or money. Easy does it. Slow down. Get out of hand. Get out of control. Get something out of your system. Do the thing you've been waiting to do so you can move on. Get your act together. Work better or leave. Give someone the benefit of the doubt. Trust what someone says. Go back to the drawing board. Start over. Hang in there. Don't give up. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. It's not rocket science. It's not complicated. Let someone off the hook. To not hold someone responsible for something. Make a long story short. Tell something briefly. Miss the boat. It's too late. No pain, no gain. You have to work for what you want. On the ball. Doing a good job. Pull someone's leg. To joke with someone. Pull yourself together. Calm down. So far, so good. Calm down, things are going well so far. Speak of the devil. The person we were just talking about showed up. That's the last straw. My patience has run out. The best of both worlds. An ideal situation. Time flies when you're having fun. You don't notice how long something lasts when it's fun. To get bent out of shape. To get upset. To make matters worse. Make a problem worse. Under the weather. Sick. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Let's not talk about that problem right now. You can say that again. That's true. I agree. Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea. Wrap your head around something. Understand something complicated. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with grammar. You will also find videos to help you with reading. And please don't forget that our Decodable books are available on Amazon. It will be in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!